Hi, I have an unboxing for you today, but it's a little bit different than what I normally do. So I did not pay for these products. They sent them to me because I was going to be teaching a class in Estes Park, Colorado for the Estes Park Wool Market. And they sent me some prizes and get things to use in my classes to promote their products. But then the course got canceled or moved to June of 2021. So let me show you what they sent me, and I need to figure out how to utilize these items in my class next year. So if you're coming, you might get to see these things in person. First, they sent me some hooks. They sent me I, J, and K hooks. Knitter's Pride. And I don't think I have any of these. So let me open one up. I'm going to open up an I size hook because you know that one is my favorite. And it says it's made in India, aluminum silver, size 5.5 millimeter. Comes in this little package. Oh, I don't have my scissors handy. Is this? Oh, it'll work. Okay, it's just a little rubber bandy thing under the package. So it's got this very soft, not shiny, but matte finish handle. So it's very simple. Oh, it's a short handle. It's a very short handle, I think. So the male crocheters or people with larger hands, maybe, I don't know if this is too short for you, if it like would dig into your hand. It all depends on how you hold the hook. I do like the matte finish. It's not shiny. It seems kind of fat at the top here. Can you see the head of that? It's not pointy exactly. It's almost flat here. It's kind of a cross between the two major styles of hook, the inline and the, what's the other one? You guys help me out. Yell it at the screen. They have the tapered and then the squared off. Let me show you the two different ones that I made. So the two major sizes, shapes that you get are this kind of like squared off one, where it's like very straight all the way down. And then this one is more pointy at the end. And then this one is pointy at the end, but the top is flat instead of pointy. Anyway, it's a very nice hook, and I think I might like it. I'll give it a go. I'll give it a spin. It does feel like a short handle, but it's very pretty, and I like it. So I will try it. Now look what they have here. Look at this single-ended crochet hook set, the entire set. The pack contents include 9 crochet sizes from C all the way to J, and it comes with a case. Oh, I love that. So I'm gonna have to give these a try. Oh, these are pretty. These are very, oh, it's a zipper. Look at this. Oh, it's very stylish. Where's the little thing? Okay, here it is. Look at this, so pretty. Look at this little case. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Knitter's Pride, for sending this to me. I was not paid for this, by the way, but they did send me the items. But look how pretty these are. Oh, I really like them. So again, they have, let me just take one out for you. They have, oh, how do I get it out without ripping it? They've got the same kind of head. Look how pretty these are. They've got the same like squared off head as the black handled one, but look, the handle of this one is straight all the way down and it doesn't have a grip, and it's very pretty. I really like it. These are stylish. These are very pretty to use, and I love the colors. Oh, you guys see Theo back there. I don't know what it is about why it makes a difference that the hook is pretty, but I like it, and if it makes me more likely to use it. Also, because their color, each one's a different color, then it'll help me pick out better which one is the one that I need to use for my project. So the eye hook is this brown coppery color, very pretty, and I might just have to take this next time I go on vacation so that I'll have one of everything in case I need it. I really like it. Very good travel case with the little zipper. Very pretty. It'll also encourage me to put them away when I'm done because I love seeing how complete it looks. So I'm gonna have to crochet with these and give them a go and see what I think. So I will zip up the case. Look how nice and flat, like a little book. Awesome. That will slide into my project bag really well. So thank you, Knitter's Pride. These are called Zing Hooks. Very good. And I don't know how much these retail for. I'll have to put a link in the description below. Okay, and then the last item is a big one that they sent me. Look at this. It came in plastic, but I admit I already took a peek and took the plastic off. Look at this. It is huge. It is a Knitter's Pride Ginger Interchangeable Tunisian Afghan crochet hook set, and it's laminated wood crochet hooks, most eco-friendly, luxurious vegan leather case. So vegan is not leather, so it must be faux leather because, right? Anyway, so let's pull off the sleeve and give this a look. Look how pretty this is. Knitter's Pride. I open this little portfolio. Oh, it's a pen too. So can you see this? There's hooks here. One goes from 120, is that 120 millimeter? A size N, LMN. Okay, so it goes from a size E up to a size N, and then it jumps to this 120, I think, millimeter there. So look at this beautiful wood hook with a little screw-in base for the cord for a Tunisian hook. Really pretty, really soft and smooth. Look how beautiful this wood is. And then a pen that's also wood that matches. And then this holds, this is a magnet, so you can put like your pattern right on here and put the magnetic strip over it so you can keep track with your pattern. And this also folds so that you can like read your pattern while you're working. And I dropped something, I'm not sure what, I'll have to go look for it. And then in this, oh, it was a hook. A hook fell out, a little hook fell out. All right, I'll have to be careful where I step. There it is. The little hook fell out. That's okay, I'll slide it back into its tender little spot. This envelope here contains all the cords. Let's see what else, anything else in here? Okay, look. So in the envelope section of this is all the cords you need and all the stoppers and all the little, there's a stitch markers, stitch markers, very cute. I'm gonna, sorry about the rustling of the plastic here. Let's pull out a cord, shall we? So different length cords. Ooh, here's a long one. And then this will attach to the bottom of a hook. Pull out a hook. Awesome. So I'll put a link in the description below, and you can take a gander at my other favorite tools video and my crazy hooks videos. But these are the things I got from Knit Picks, so check them out in the description below, and I will see you next time.